With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, in the periodic table, melting point and boiling point increases down the group in which of the following groups? So if we talk about a general trend of melting and boiling point, and in the case of metals, the melting point and the boiling point generally decreases down the group. Right? It generally decreases down the group. Whereas if we talk about non-metals, then in the case of non-metals, the melting point and boiling point increases down the group. Right. So what happens is that in the cases of non-metals, as we go down the group, or if we just generally talk about non-metals have a tendency to gain electrons, right? The non-metals have a tendency to gain electrons. Non-metals belong to the group 14, 15, 16 and 17 of the periodic table, right? So which is the carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family and fluorine family, right? So basically, if we talk about non-metals, they have a tendency to gain electron, and on gaining electron, they complete their octet, right? They complete their octet, and on completing their octet, and they undergo closed packing, right? Because of the complete octet. And as we go down the group, right? As we go down the group, the size is going to increase, right? And as the size increases, the electron gaining capacity decreases, right? The electron gaining capacity decreases because now the nucleus cannot attract the electron to a greater extent. Therefore, the tendency to gain electron decreases, which leads to an increase in boiling point and melting point of these elements, right? So because the tendency to gain electron decreases, it means that they have larger sizes. One reason is that they have larger sizes and therefore they have greater boiling points, and also that the van der Waals forces of attraction increases, which leads to an increase in boiling point as well as the melting point, right? On the other hand, metals have a tendency to lose electrons and therefore they show a decrease in the boiling point and the melting point trends. So this is how the melting point and boiling point vary in metals and non-metals. So basically in this question, they're asking you in which it increases down the group. So it increases only for the cases of non-metals. So if we talk about group 1 is the group of alkali metals, right? So this cannot be the answer. Talking about group 2 is alkaline earth metals, again cannot be the answer. Talking about group 17, then yes, this can be the correct answer for this question because it is the halogen family. And if we talk about group 13, then group 13 is the boron family and the metals, and therefore it also cannot be the answer. Okay, so the correct answer is option 3. That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.